Ever wondered why your curl cream just sits on your hair, or worse, leaves it frizzy by the time it dries? This happens to me a lot because I've been putting it on the wrong way. And today I'm going to show you how to actually use curl cream the right way for 3B, 3C and 4A curls, plus the juicy benefits you've been missing. I'm actually trying Brazy curl cream. I'm breaking it down for you in 5 parts. Part 1, the right way to apply curl cream. I've got 5 easy steps for you. You've got to start on soaking wet hair. If your hair dries quickly like mine, you need to re-wet it each time you section it, because curl creams need water. If you just apply a curl cream to your hair, it will not absorb, especially if you have low porosity hair like me. And when the curl cream is thick like this one, you need a lot of water. That is the key point. If you get anything from this video, that's the top one. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, this one smells amazing. You don't even understand how good this smells. Use a spray bottle, just like me. I spray each time I section, and moisture helps distribute the product evenly. Now, Brazy curl cream have great directions. Always read the directions on the bottle. This one says to apply generously to damp hair, focusing on ends and working from root to tip. Scrunch to enhance curl definition and natural movement. For best results, air dry or diffuse for added volume and bounce. And he's even put a shelf life. Use within 6 months of opening. So write a little date at the bottom of your bottle the minute you've opened it, so you know, okay, this is only going to last me 6 months. I need to make sure I use this as soon as. Step 2, section your hair, at least 4 big sections. I do 3 in the front and 1 big section in the back, and I work from the back forwards. Step 3, now I raked the product through. You can brush it through, but I found to smooth the cream in made my curls look better. When I used a brush, I instantly got frizz. Try smoothing, try raking, try a brush. See which one works best for your hair or that curl cream. For me, it's usually raking it in and then smoothing it. Works so well. So praying hands method. I really had to focus on my roots because the frizz was just increasing. The minute I added it, it hadn't absorbed, so I had to re-wet my hair again. Just re-wet that section, focus on the roots, and then the curl cream began to absorb and the definition appeared. Step 4, you can follow up with a gel, which I do usually, but this product, oh my goodness, you have no idea how good it is. This curl cream did everything on its own. Oh, look at the results. I'm just showing you now. I didn't actually use a gel. All I used was a curl cream. And step 5, of course, diffuse or air dry. You can scrunch. I find scrunching works best for some people, but for me, when I scrunch, I get frizz, so I'm not scrunching. But you can try it and see if it works for you. A little tip for you, if your curls feel greasy or weighed down, you're probably using too much product. Or you applied it on your hair when it was too dry. Part 2, understanding curl creams. What is a curl cream? A curl cream is a styling product that adds moisture. What's the difference between a curl cream versus a leave-in? Now, a leave-in adds moisture because your hair is dry and can't retain it, whereas a curl cream is a styling product. But most leave-ins, you don't really get the definition that lasts long. You get the moisture, the results don't last so long. Now, what's the difference between a curl cream versus a gel? A gel, strong hold. Light hold could give you what a curl cream does. So a gel really locks in the moisture. It seals everything together and makes a way for your curls to last longer. A curl cream won't last as long. So why is it essential for 3B to 4A curls to have moisture and definition? Well, we need moisture to really bring out the curls, and then we need definition to lock it all in. So without definition, you get in an afro, which is beautiful, but if you want to find curls, you can add moisture with a gel. Here's a mini breakdown of 3B to 4A hair. 3B hair are looser curls, needs light moisture and control, only a little bit of gel. 3C hair is tighter, more volume, and needs medium to weight creams, so a bit heavier, but then you want to use a strong gel with it. 4A hair is dense coils, loves rich cream and water retention. Add a lot of water and a lot of product. Pro tip, curl cream isn't just for moisture, it's a styling product as well. So if you don't want a crunch that a gel leaves, try a curl cream. We're on to part 3, the benefits of curl creams. Top 5 benefits: long-lasting moisture. Curl definition helps curls hold their natural shape. Frizz control, especially in humid or dry weather. Soft finish, no hard crunch, not like gels or stiffness. And it protects your hair from breakage. Less friction, more slip. This is what my curls looked like before I was adding enough water, and this is what they look like now. I mean, can you see the difference? On to part 4. I have a few common mistakes for you to avoid. Applying on dry hair, a big no-no. Skip sectioning. Yeah, you need to section your hair. Don't do this in big clumps like you got waves, yeah? Using too much product can be a problem, and not sealing in with a gel if needed. Sometimes some curl creams really need a gel. Then not refreshing between washes. So you can refresh maybe day 3, day 4, because curl creams aren't going to last as long as a gel. If you use a gel, it can last me 8 days. If I just use a curl cream, not as much. So about half the time. Another tip for you, curl cream works best when your hair is still hydrated from your wash. Don't wait until it's 90% dry to start styling your hair. Don't do that. It just wastes the curl cream. The curl cream needs water to absorb into your hair. You can get this product. Get it now at Curls by Sharlene on my TikTok shop. The product is called Brazy Curls. Here you go. This is what it looks like. It's a good price and your curls or waves will look phenomenal. We're on to part 5, real talk and community tip. Let's be real, learning how to style curls takes patience, of course, but once you got your technique right, curl cream can be your friend and a game changer to your routine. I want to know your curl type and your favorite curl cream in the comments. Let's help each other drop little hidden gems of curl creams that we haven't been using. But this one, oh my goodness, it is so good. This guy recently opened. He is doing so well. You can find this product on TikTok. I have his product in my TikTok shop, so go for it. It is that good. I highly, highly recommend it. If this helped you, or if you've been struggling with curl creams for years, give my video a thumbs up. You can follow me on IG and TikTok for daily tips as well. I'm on Facebook too. All at Curls by Sharlene. And I've got an online shop that you can get products, good curly hair products. There you go. There's my shop for you. It's online. This is delivered worldwide, every country, not just the UK or the United States. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.